I'm doing another install. I never posted my installs because I'm too lazy to work and grab the phone at the same time. So this is the setup. I'm installing the relays over there on that corner. I gotta make a hole for the airbag switches and the gauge hose. I had to remove the back seat. This is the switches, the wires for the switches. I gotta extend them, so I gotta make a hole here, somewhere there. So the switch box and the pressure sensor is gonna go from a fuse from the accessory and on there, and it's gonna run all to the back. Oh, and I'm gonna install a kill switch too on the dash. So if the battery's low, you can shut it off and it will still, the compressors won't kick on and make it lose power. So the battery's on this side, so I'm gonna run the positive wires for the compressors through here. And through here. I was gonna make a hole over here, but I found this little treasure, so that's better. Just gotta put some plastic so it won't rub and make a short. So this is the two wires for the compressors. Oh, and this is for the amplifier. It was on the other side, but since the battery is on this side, I pull it out and put it through here. So yeah, the amplifier and other stuff is gonna go right there. Gotta put a piece of wood or something in so they can stay on the wall. So I made some holes and put some plastic from a bottle and wrap some tape so it doesn't go anywhere. I use a piece of this plastic. Make some holes there to pass the positive and negatives. And yeah, let me keep on working.